Okay, ladies and gentlemen, good morning again. So if you are in 2013 up to the 2016 up to the latest version of Excel, so another way around na po yung what we call this one to activate the macro settings in this particular grading system. So doon po sa 2007 version, Office button po yung nandoon. So dito, file na naman. So you're going to proceed to file. So again this is in 2013 and 2016 version and up to the latest one. So file, then options, then once you are in here, options, trust center again, then trust center rate settings, then macro settings, i-enable po natin all macros and check trust VBA project object model. So yan po ang importante. So before tayo gagamit nitong grading system for the junior high school. Then press OK, then hit another OK. So again, we need to close this particular file and open it again para magamit na ang ating grading system. Okay, so open natin yung grading system natin. Ito yan siya. So ito siya. Ready na po for encoding once it will be open. Okay, so check natin na okay na ba yon. Okay na po. So ready na po tayo for the encoding. So that's all. Thank you.